Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alrighty, and this is the autonomous period of this match on the blue lines right away, 12:41 and 31:61, both scoring some coral on the level 4 of their reef. On the rail line, same thing's being done with 5406 at 11:14. They're racing to get as much algae score as possible in the autonomous period. Looks like the score is neck and neck getting out of autonomous period, but there's still lots of time left in the teleoperated period. 11:14. Racing to score some coral, grabbing some algae from that reef, going to score that somewhere. Make it worth some points for removing it. And 5406 continuing to score more coral. 76:59 from the blue lines over on the red lines, trying to do some defense, slow them down from going to their human player station. But 5406 still able to get around it, scoring as much coral as they possibly can. On the blue lines, 12:41 and 31:61, both racing back and forth from their human player station. 31:61 lining up right now, trying to score the coral somewhere, it looks like. 12:41 is racing back and forth, scoring as much as they possibly can. On the red lines, 11:14's racing back and forth once again, along with 5406, trying to score as much coral as possible. 76:59 still trying to do some defense. 5406 doesn't know what that means. They get to their human player in just enough time, and then back to their reef, scoring that. 7603, their alliance partners for the red lines, scoring some algae in the processor. Scoring the processors worth 6 points for this team. On the blue lines, 12:41 is continuing to score more coral. Both of these reefs are filling up extremely fast. 31:61, 12:41 still racing back and forth, getting as much coral scored as they possibly can. 5406 scoring a piece of algae for the red alliance into the net. Both alliances racing with the last 30 seconds left, scoring as much coral as they possibly can. Looks like 76:59 might be lining up to start deep climbing soon, as if there's only 20 seconds left in the match. 5406 and 11:14 still getting as much score as they possibly can in the last few seconds. 5406 looks like they're lining up to climb out of deep cage as well, though. And the rail lines looks like they've lined up the park. Let's see if 12:41 is going to line up as well. 1 second left in this match, and that is time. We have both very high scores for this match. An unofficial score of 190 for the Red Alliance and 171 for the Blue Alliance, but those aren't official. Alrighty, and the score is in. Let's take a look. Is it blue? Is it red? It's the Red Alliance with a score of 211 to 187. Red Alliance walking away with 6 ranking points, holding 1114 in that 4th ranked position, pushing 54.